What I'm going to do is start disassembling the entire bus today. It is going to get a very nice new color, so I will remove all the parts, take the doors out, and then it will go to the painter. Well, it is completely stripped. Everything is off. I will just leave the mirrors on for now, and the lights will stay on for a bit. The painter will remove those himself. I will also have the flares painted. I don't find that black Baker very nice, so I will have it painted in the same color. The painter will remove the lamp for now. Ready to go to the paint shop. But before I do that, I will first make all the window holes. So I will saw all the holes in the bus. This way, all the edges can be nicely painted. I will use the same tactic as with the flares, drilling holes to outline the contours, and then using a metal jigsaw to cut out the holes, touch up, and done. And to mark the holes, I will of course use good tape on that black, otherwise you won't see anything at all. I will use magnets to make sure those metal parts don't fall out, and then it distorts the rest of the metal. I put on some extra protection for the polyester saw. It breathes a bit less than the metal. Marked, finished up, and we can get going. This is Jasper Bijkerk from Veenendaal. He has a spray shop in Veenendaal, and he has completely sanded it down, making it dust-free. And sprayed in roll 7223, it has had 3 layers and high gloss. Well, the bus has been painted. It turned out beautiful. I am really very, very happy with it, and it is mostly back together. Just a few tiny things to do. So now I can also start aligning the windows. First, I apply an adhesive to both the window and the bus. That is also from Sika. First to grease, apply the adhesive, and then a very thick layer of sealant on the windows. Then you can still push it a bit in the right direction. Tape it on to keep it at the right size. Then you can still adjust it a bit. And then it's just a matter of, actually, in about an hour you could theoretically drive, so just wait until it's dry, and then it should be waterproof. Yes, the windows are in, everything is nicely secured, waterproof, and it actually looks great. The next thing I'm going to do is make a foldable step at the bottom here on the side. German 3-seat bench. And there will be a piece of pipe along the side for protection to prevent damage to the side. But that's for next time. So, until next time.